Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule the meeting in Microsoft Teams, that is through mobile app, and how to invite the students by creating a link. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to click on Teams app, then we have to go to calendar, then so we have to schedule over here plus sign. So here I am going to give the name to the title like class. Okay, let me do it for my class 8 history interactive class, or anything whatever you feel like. T-E-R-A interactive class. So I have done it. So if anyone has the license, so we can add it over here like add participants. So I'm going to add Prakash sir over here, P-R-A. So I got it over here, Prakash sir, I've added it over here. So now time will change it. Suppose tomorrow I am going to hold the meeting 15th. So okay, then time I'll change it. Suppose tomorrow at around 10 o'clock we'll do it. So 10:30 I'm going to conduct the meeting, so till 11 a.m. So location and all no need to do. So okay, so now how to send the link to the students, so I'll be clicking this one, class 8 history interactive class. So here I'll click it. So you can see here just above join you'll get a share meeting invite. So I'll click this one. So through my WhatsApp, okay, I'll send it to anyone, like any other number. Suppose I'm sending it to my own number. Okay, so I have sent it over here. So this is the link, I got it over here. So this way I'll share it, and this way I can share it to my groups even. Okay, and the students whoever will click this link will directly join it, but they need to be admitted. So once they click the link, so we'll get a notification that students or guests are waiting in the lobby. So we have to permit it one by one. Okay, that one also I'll tell you how it will go on. So this one is for this much only. Okay, on the day of the meeting what we'll do is that exactly on the time we'll open the app, we'll go and join the meeting. So I'm the organizer, so I have to be there. Okay, so I'll join it, then join now, connected. Okay, now the invitation I'll get. So it is mentioned over here, guests are waiting to join view lobby. So what I'll do directly, I'll go to the top right side of the corner. Okay, I'll click it over here. So you can see here Aman in the name of guest, he is waiting over there. So what I'll do, I'll click on Aman and admit him. So once I admit him, yeah, he is now admitted. So I'll be going back to the meeting. So now I can see him. Turn your video camera. Yeah, he is there in the meeting. So easily I made him join the meeting. So this is how we can do it. Suppose you want to record the meeting, you can now go. So if you want to record, don't turn off. If you want to record the meeting, so directly you can do, click on three dot, and you can see here start recording option is there. You can do that. Suppose I did start recording, so the meeting started to record. Okay, now I want to end the recording. So once again I'll click on this three dot and stop recording. So after everything is done, so I'll end the meeting by clicking on this button. So meeting is ended. So this is how we can send link. So once again let me tell you how to send link. So we'll go to this button, click on that. You can see just before join and edit option, share meeting invite is there. So you have to click on that and we can send it to any of the WhatsApp or any of the WhatsApp group. Okay, suppose you want to edit, so you can do again, edit option is there. Suppose Prakash Kanal sir is added over here, like I want to join other one. So like I want to join Binay sir. So I got it over here. So he is also added. So plus sign will be clicked. Okay, so it is done. So once again right click on this one, event. So update on the meeting has already been sent. So this is how we can use this mobile app to do interactive classes with the students. But though I suggest if possible, if it is done on computer or laptop, then it will be easy, because on the mobile phone we can see only 4 faces, but here also whoever speaks can be seen on the screen. Okay, on the mobile phone 4 can be seen, and through laptop or computer we can see 9 at a time. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. So hope you will like it.